Hello, my chat partners. Welcome back to another video. If you are new here, my name is Dionne. Please subscribe to my channel. And to my returning chat partners, I really appreciate you guys' support. So guys, today's video is a what I eat in a day, lazy edition. I hope you guys enjoy. Okay, my chat partners. So as you can see on this particular day, I had boiled eggs and turkey sausage for breakfast. Guys, boiled eggs is so simple and easy to make. All you have to do is just put the eggs in the water, boil them, and cook the sausage. And by the time you get done cooking your sausage, the eggs are done. And it's a quick, simple, easy meal. So guys, please comment down below and let me know what are some of your quick and simple, easy meals on your lazy day that you make for breakfast. And guys, let's make sure we eat breakfast because breakfast is very, very important. Okay, my chat partner. So right now I am preparing my water for the day, and I added a little Crystal Light just to give my water a little flavor because sometimes in the morning it can be a little hard to drink just plain water. So I just wanted to add a little something to give it just a little taste. Okay, guys, so what I'm doing now, I'm just writing down what I ate for breakfast. And guys, I like to keep a food journal. And if you go back and look at some of my previous videos, I show just, a DIY on a food journal and things of that nature. I really like to keep track of what I'm eating for the day. Even when I have bad days, I still like to write it down. And I'm also looking up just some other information and just doing some other things on my iPad during this time. So my chat partners, on this particular day, I decided I wanted to make a grain bowl for dinner. And guys, a grain bowl is perfect to make when you have one of those lazy days because you can just cut up your vegetables, just put all the items together and throw it in the oven. Okay, my chat partners, so now that I have my grain bowl in the oven cooking, I'm getting ready to make me a snack. And guys, I love to eat fresh fruit. Fresh fruit is so important to eat like basically every single day. Even if you eat an apple, banana, pineapple, strawberries, grapes, just try to eat some type of fresh fruit every day. if you can. And if not every day, every other day will work as well. But always try to eat fresh fruit. Okay, my chat partners, so now we have come to the end of this video of what I eat in a day, Lazy Day edition. I really do hope you guys enjoy. Guys, comment down below and let me know what you may eat or what you may fix as far as when you have a lazy day and just really not in the mood for cooking, however you want to eat healthy. I really do appreciate each and every one of you for watching my video. And if you are not subscribed to my channel, Dionne's Life, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you can receive alerts for each and every time I upload and become a chat partner. I'm wishing you all out there a peace of mind because what? A peace of mind is one of the greatest things in the world. Always remember that you guys are great. And as always, take care, stay safe, and be blessed. Bye, guys.